friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks YouTube channel. In this video, we'll solve one more tricky C question. Hope you're excited, so let's get started. In the previous session, we have seen the difference between logical OR and bitwise OR. Now here, we'll see the difference between logical and bitwise AND. So here I have taken x equal to 10 and y equal to 15. I have taken two conditions by using a AND operator. And you know, AND will return true only if both the statements are true. That is, if any of the statements is false, then automatically final expression would be false. So if all the conditions must be satisfied, that is, it must return true. So this is what you should know about AND. So here I have taken logical AND, which AND, it is not bitwise AND, it is a logical AND. What happens here? Here plus x greater than 10. So plus x will make x to 12, so that is 11 greater than 10 is true or false. Here I have taken plus x, that means x becomes 11. Plus x is a pre-operator, so plus x value will also be 11 and x value will also be 11. So 11 greater than 10 is true. Okay, so is true. And here I have taken plus x less than 10, that is plus x value would be 11 and x value would be 11. It is a pre-increment operator, so that's why 11 less than 10, it is a false. It returns false. And if I evaluate second expression, what will happen? Y will become 16 and 16 greater than 5, 16 greater than 15 is true. One is false and other is true, then final output would be false only. So if first expression is false, then at this point of time only we can say that the final output is false. Then there is no need to evaluate second expression. Irrespective of whether it is true or false, the output would be false only. So what we can conclude here is that in the case of logical AND, second expression would be evaluated only if the first expression is true. If the first expression is true, then second expression might be true or false. So if you see here, first is true, second might be true or false. If it is true, then output would be true. If it is false, then output would be false. There is a necessity to evaluate second expression if there is first expression is true. But here there is no necessity, because if the first is false, automatically we can say that the final output is false. So that's why second expression will not be evaluated in the case of logical AND in this scenario. But in the case of bitwise AND, no matter if first is true or false, everything will be evaluated. Final output would be same in the case of both bitwise and logical. Okay, but the difference would be expression evaluation. Okay, so that's why this operator is called as lazy evaluation operators or short circuit operators. So what would be your final output? So output is false here. So what will happen? X becomes 11. X becomes 11. So if block will not be executed, control comes to Y block, and Y becomes 16 here, Y plus plus. So Y becomes 6. Final output would be 11 and 16. So I will change one. I will make a change here. So I have made a change. So now what will happen? So I have made plus x greater than 10. Will there be any difference in the output? So please evaluate this code and post your output in the comment section. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching the video. I'm pretty sure that you would have enjoyed this video. So please like it, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to Geeks for Geeks YouTube channel for regular updates like this. Thanks for being with us. Have a great day.